Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and my name is Venkatachalapati KA from the student of Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering Bengaluru and my USN is 1V23 EC 119 semester third semester subject electronic principles and circuits. In this video we are going to study about the how does the loading effect impact the input impedance of a circuit and the give equation for input voltage. Draw the common emitter amplifier for circuit AC equivalent circuit effect of input impedance. The first one is understanding the loading effect on the input impedance. A deep dive into common emitter amplifier. The loading effects impact on the input impedance of a circuit, specifically focusing on the emitter common emitter amplifier. We will explore how loading alerts the input impedance and its consequences and amplifier performance. This is a circuit diagram belonging to the common emitter amplifier. Now, what is the meaning of loading effect? It includes three steps: circuit interactions, current draw, input impedance changes. The first one is circuit interactions. The loading effect occurs when a component is connected to a circuit altering the behavior of a circuit itself. Current draw. The load draws current from the circuit which affects the voltage across the circuit's internal components. Impedance change. The presence of the load changes the overall impedance of the circuit, potentially impacting its performance. This is the equation for the common emitter amplifier. The beta it represents the current gain, the ratio of collector current to base current. The common emitter amplifier circuit diagram. It includes components and the signal parts. First one is components. The common emitter amplifier consists of a transistor and the resistors, capacitors, and a power supplies. The transistor serves as the amplifying elements, while the resistors control the current flow and the capacitors filters out unwanted signals. The input signals is applied to the base of the transistor. The amplified signal appears at the collector while the emitter acts as a common ground reference for both the input and output signals. The common emitter amplifiers AC equivalent circuits. It includes the original circuits and the AC equivalent circuits. The circuits. The original common emitter amplifier circuits features a transistor, resistors, capacitors, and a power supply. It's used for amplifying signals, but its complexity can make analysis challenging. Equivalent circuits. The AC equivalent circuits simplifies the original circuit but by focusing on the behavior of the amplifier at the AC frequencies. Capacitors are represented as a circuits and the transistors is replaced with a controlled current source, making analysis easier. The effect of input impedance of this common emitter amplifier. It includes three stages: the signal attenuations, gain reductions, and the distortions. The signal attenuations. The lower input impedance causes the signal attenuations, reducing the signal strength to the base of the transistor. Current reduction. The overall gain of the amplifier is diminished as the input impedance decreases, resulting in a weaker output signals. Distortion. A low input impedance can lead to signal distortions, particularly at higher frequency, affecting signal fidelity. Analyzing the input impedance of the common emitter. Input impedance. The input impedance of the common emitter is the resistance seen by the input signal source. It represents the load the signal source experiences when connected to the amplifier. Loading effect. The loading effect where the presence of the amplifier's input impedances alters the behavior of the signal sources is crucial determining the overall gain and frequency responses. The strategies to maintenance the loading effect. First one is a input buffer. Input buffer use a buffer stage to isolate the signal source from the amplifier's input. The second one is the input impedance matching. Match the output impedance of the source to the amplifier's input impedance of the maximum power transfer. The third one is a high input impedance amplifier. Employ an amplifier with a high input impedance to minimize the loading effect from the signal source. Thank you for watching this video, friends. Bye.